Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, we will see how we can hide and unhide rows and columns in Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to the Home tab and then under the Cells section in the top ribbon, you'll find the Format button, and under this we have Visibility, and under Hide and Unhide you have different options. So let's try one of them. So for example, I want to hide the column A. So I select this column, go to the options, and I say hide columns. So now you see that the column A is hidden. If I need to unhide it, I can go back and say unhide columns. This column is visible again. In case you need to hide multiple columns, then you can select multiple columns like this. Go to the hide option again and say hide columns. So these will be hidden. And similarly, go back and say unhide columns, then they will be visible again. The similar concept can be done using the option here, like if you select cells I and J and right click, here you also get an option for hide and unhide. So you can hide them, and then you have to select the H and K now and click and say unhide, then the cells I and J will be visible. So now let's try it on the rows. So let's say I select rows 4 and 5 and hide rows. So the rows are hidden. And now I say unhide rows, then the rows are back again. Now, when you have to hide a sheet, then if you select this option, hide sheet, so you'll get a pop-up message which says that a workbook must contain at least one visible sheet. Okay, so if you have to hide, delete or move a sheet, at least you should have a minimum of two sheets. So what we'll do is we'll add another sheet. Okay, and now for example we want to hide the sheet 1. We'll go here and say hide sheet. So you see now the sheet 1 is hidden, and now if we go back and say unhide sheet, it will show all the hidden sheets if they're multiple. Then click on OK and your sheet 1 is back. So this way you can use to hide rows, columns and sheets in Excel. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.